1504, that's located in 7000 Williams Island. That's 2,700 2,700 square feet. Let's take a look in the view first. It's a huge unit that's listed for 1.3 million. It's about $500 per square feet. And that's the view. They have multiple balconies. And here, all this here is the Sunny Isles, here's the island, the Privé. You're able to see the Regalia, you're able to see the Ritz-Carlton. Ritz-Carlton is their last building, Tropicana Ritz-Carlton, and the first building, Regalia. Let's take a look here. They do have some ocean view here. The Aqualinas is a beautiful view. Okay, let's see the rest of the apartment here. They have some kind of wood floor. The nice kitchen. They did some remodeling. They have the laundry. The 3 bedrooms. It's a huge 3 bedrooms. That's closets. They have the full master. There's another closet over there. There's a lot of closet space. And they have like 4 balconies. They have this view here. You have the intercoastal view, you have the ocean view, you have the bay view, view from everywhere. Okay, that's the second bedroom here. And also they have their own balconies. They have their own balcony access. And to finalize, the 3rd bedroom here. Very nice apartment.